Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best tuna sandwich. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients for a truly delicious meal. The foundation of any great tuna sandwich begins with premium tuna, ideally packed in olive oil for superior flavor and texture. Don't forget fresh, finely diced celery and red onion for that perfect crunch. A good quality mayonnaise ties everything together, and selecting the right bread is crucial for a satisfying bite. Now, let's craft the perfect tuna salad mixture. Begin by thoroughly draining your tuna, then gently flaking it into a bowl. Next, finely dice about 1/4 cup of crisp celery and 2 tablespoons of red onion. These add vital texture and flavor. Combine these with your chosen mayonnaise, mixing until everything is well incorporated. Finish by seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a bright squeeze of lemon juice to enhance all the flavors. With your tuna salad ready, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your bread. This prevents sogginess and adds a delightful crunch. Spread a thin, even layer of mayonnaise on both slices for extra moisture and flavor. Next, lay a crisp lettuce leaf or some fresh spinach on one slice. Finally, generously spoon your delicious tuna mixture onto the lettuce, ensuring an even distribution for every bite. To truly elevate your tuna sandwich, consider some delightful additions. For a tangy kick, try adding sliced pickles, capers, or a sprinkle of fresh dill. A slice of cheese, like sharp cheddar or creamy provolone, can also add another layer of flavor and texture. Serve your freshly made sandwich immediately, perhaps alongside some crispy potato chips or a light side salad. Enjoy every delicious bite of your perfectly crafted tuna sandwich.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.